Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around the MG ZS Exclusive in the stunning metallic laser blue. This one in particular has got an incredibly low mileage at just 12,795. Being that it's the exclusive model, it's packed full of great features, including the full leather interior. You've also got the coloured touchscreen in there with the navigation, Apple CarPlay, you've got cruise control and plenty more features. This one in particular is automatic as well. Just coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you benefit from the rear parking sensors and reversing camera. The car is also in superb condition. If you would like any further information on this particular vehicle, or would like to arrange a test drive or even a personalised video, please feel free to get in contact. You can do so via our website, or feel free to give us a call on 01323 898818.